Let's first take a look at the three most common types of spreaders. A drop spreader is a more precise spreader where the product drops right below the hopper. A hand spreader is usually used for smaller areas like gardens and is operated by hand. Lastly, there is a broadcast spreader, which uses its impeller to spread fertilizer or grass seed out of the hopper in overlapping patterns, which is why it's the most efficient spreader, and the one we'll be focusing on today. After checking over your spreader and making sure it's ready to operate, it's time to choose which specific type of lawn care products suits your lawn care needs. Watch our Timely Tips episode on Lush Lawn, where we go into more detail about some of the different products that can be used. Load the appropriate amount of product into the hopper of the lawn spreader. Be sure to check the rate of flow settings of your spreader and adjust accordingly to the bag directions. Open the hopper and begin walking at an average pace in a straight line across the lawn. Be sure to keep your pace steady to prevent uneven layers of product. Make sure both wheels are on the ground at all times and to lightly overlap walking lines to prevent zebra striping. Remember to shut off your spreader at the end of your walking line to prevent over-application at the edges of your lawn. After lawn has been covered, sweep up excess product on your sidewalk and driveway to prevent waste. Properly clean your spreader and store for future use. Thanks for watching. Stop into Menards for what you need for your landscaping projects.